Hi, beautiful people. How are you all doing today? So, I'm right here at the Wondercut Estate to show you the Wondercut land. Now, this is a built up environment. You can see from the video displayed on the screen that we already have residents here. So, it is a habitable neighborhood where you can buy a land and start building immediately and then move in as soon as it is completed. Now, the amazing thing about this property, why I'm recommending it to you, is the fact that the topography of the land here is dry. That literally means that you don't have to break the bank, you don't have to spend too much when you're sand filling for your foundation. And that's not all. Right in this estate, you get instant allocation. Yes, they are even conducting allocation as we speak right now. I met clients on site right now and they're conducting allocation. So once you make your outright payment, you get allocated immediately. And when I say immediately, I mean immediately. You don't have to wait till forever before you get allocated. And also, the third reason is this: it offers you up to 6 months payment plan without interest. That's very rare because most times you only get interest free for 3 months. But for this one, we're giving you 6 months without interest. And currently, we're running the Valentine's promo, and there's a 1.5 million naira discount on our land sizes. So we have two land sizes here. We have the 300 square meters, we have the 500 square meter. 300 square meter is actually selling for 30 million naira, but because of the promo, it is now 28.5 million naira. The 500 square meters is selling for 50 million naira, but because of the promo, it is now 48.5 million naira. But this is only for a short period of time. So it means that you have to call me right away. Like I said, initial deposit is 5 million naira. And this price is all inclusive. It means that um, both the price for the statutory fees, I mean the documentation fee and also the development fee, have been summed up to make up these prices that I just told you. So you're not paying any separate price for those ones. Now I'm sure that from the video you're wondering how come we just have lots of bungalows there. Is there a restriction to what you can build? Now let me give you a brief history about this estate. It started, this estate came into existence like 3 years ago, thereabout, and the developer intended to build just bungalows. So he built several units of bungalows, but along the line decided to stop building the bungalows and start selling land so that people can buy land and then build a house of their choice. So that's why you're seeing lots of bungalows, because those were the previously delivered ones. So you're not restricted to building only bungalows in this estate. Now you can see we have lots of projects also ongoing. Apart from the fact the ones that are already completed with residents, you can see we still have some that are still coming up, and that's to tell you that we'll be having more residents here as soon as it is completed. So it is a really built up environment that you can start building immediately. Now it has a title of government approved Gazette. You can reach out to us if you'd like to get documents about this property to do your verification to confirm its authenticity before you buy. Just reach out to me on the number displayed on your screen, and I'll be here to give you all of those informations. Where is this property located? It is located right inside an estate in Oribanwa, Awoyaya. So if you're coming from the Lekki axis, for those who don't know where Awoyaya is, it is just after Shongote, after Ajah. Let me start from Ajah. After Ajah, you get to Shongotedo. After Shongotedo is Abijo. After Abijo, you get to Awu Yaya. So that is literally what we have here. Remember, the Valentine promo is currently ongoing, 1.5 million naira discount on our land sizes. So if you'd like to get more inquiries on that, please reach out to me on the number displayed on your screen. And for those coming across my channel for the first time, welcome. It is such a delight to grace your screen today. My name is Victoria Chizobaduraku. I have such an amazing family on YouTube, but it is not complete without you. So kindly take this moment to hit the subscribe button so you get notified every time I post a video here. And we also have, apart from this land, we have houses, finished houses you can pay outrightly and move in. We have houses you can pay instrumentally. For so if you'd want any of those, you want a land, even if it's not in this location, reach out to me. We have them at different locations with different prices. Now, there's already electricity in this estate. We have security here 24/7. We have security here, security at different positions of the estate, not just at the entrance of the estate. So this is definitely a good place for you. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Till I come your way next time. It has been such a pleasure gracing your screen. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay amazing, and I'll see you in my next video. If you have any question at all regarding this property, just reach out to me. Talk to me about anything, and I'll always be here to give you answers. And we can also schedule inspection. If you're in diaspora, you can send a trusted representative. And if you're here in Lagos, you can always come out yourself. I'll be so glad to meet with you. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.